Good morning, all. Today we will discuss our topic in digital electronics exclusive gates and universal gates. Already we know exclusive gates are one is XOR gate, another one is XNOR gate. XNOR gate. Universal gates are NAND and NOR gates. NAND and NOR gates. Why these two are called exclusive gates? Means it will have in this operation bar operation, means NOT gate operation, AND gate operation, and all three operators, and NOT dot operation, everything is there. Bar is there, dot is there, plus sign is there. Here also y is equal to a bar b bar plus ab. Here also bar is there, dot operation is there, plus operation is there. That's why it is called, these two are called exclusive. Why these two are called universal gates? Means using NAND and NOR we can realize any other boolean function. That's why these two are called universal gates. If any gate is not available, by using NAND gate or NOR gate we can realize all other gate, whatever required gate we will implement. So now these two are major parts in your competitive examination point of view. We will discuss first XOR exclusive gates, then after that we will discuss about universal gates. Coming to XOR gate, its corresponding symbol is this one, A B y is equal to A XOR B, or we will write y is equal to A bar B plus A B bar. Its corresponding truth table is A B y is equal to A bar B plus A B bar. So we can take here two inputs 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1. For this, when the inputs are same, output will be 0. When the inputs are different, output will be 1. It will be produced. Exclusive OR gate. So in your question, whenever the staircase appeared, directly you can keep XOR. Directly you can keep XOR is your answer. And here mainly the questions, competitive questions will be appeared in properties of XOR gate. Properties of XOR gate. What is meaning of properties? Means in B place we can substitute once 0, once it is 1, A bar. How it behaves, that is called properties. So first property, that is belongs to the A XOR 0 is equal to what happened. Second property, A XOR 1 will be what happened. Third property, A XOR A is equal to what happened. Fourth property, A XOR A bar is equal to what happened. వీటన్నిటికి కూడా ఆప్షన్స్లో ఏముంటాయి? ఆప్షన్ ఏ 0, ఆప్షన్ బి ఏ బార్, ఆప్షన్ సి ఏ, ఆప్షన్ డి 1 ఇలా ఉంటాయి. హౌ వి విల్ సాల్వ్ దట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్? మీన్స్ యూ కెన్ కన్సిడర్ యువర్ స్టాండర్డ్ ఈక్వేషన్ y is equal to a bar b plus a b bar. You can substitute here. A is the same common. In b place whatever value is there, you can substitute here. A bar first case, A XOR 0 case ఎలా ఉంది? B ప్లేస్లో 0 ఉంది. డాట్ 0 plus A dot 0 bar. Anything with the dot operation, it will be automatically 0. Already seen this one in previous videos. So plus A 0 bar means 1. A dot 1 means A plus 0 means A. So here A XOR 0 is equal to A. Similar way you can solve A XOR 1 is equal to A bar. When the inputs are same, both inputs are same, output will be 0. This is expressed from truth table. When the both inputs are same, output is 0. When both the inputs are different, output will be 1. Like fifth property XOR gate acts as a modulo 2 adder means whatever adder 2-bit adder having output, XOR gate is also having same output. I am telling. Next, last and final point, if A XOR B is equal to C, then B XOR C is equal to A, comma A XOR C is equal to B, and A XOR B XOR C is equal to dash. So here also option A 0, option B 1, option C A B C, option D none of the above. ఇలా ఉంది క్వశ్చన్. సో అప్పుడు ఏం చేయొచ్చు, ఏ ఎక్స్ఆర్ బి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ ఎక్స్ఆర్ బి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు బి సి అన్నాడు. ఏ ఎక్స్ఆర్ బి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు సి కాబట్టి సి ఎక్స్ఆర్ సి వెన్ ద ఇన్పుట్స్ ఆర్ సేమ్ ప్రాపర్టీ విల్ బి 0. యూ కెన్ కీప్ హియర్ ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ 0. Like we will discuss similar way XNOR gate also. XNOR gate. In this XNOR gate, it is opposite function of XOR operation. So its corresponding symbol XOR గీసి దానికి బబుల్ పెట్టండి. A B Y is equal to A XNOR B. Y is equal to A bar B bar plus AB. A bar B bar plus AB. As truth table we will discuss A B Y is equal to A XNOR B. It is the opposite function of XOR gate. So here 2 inputs are there, 4 combinations will be present. When the inputs are same, output will be 1. When the inputs are different, output will be 0. So this is also called as equivalence gate or coincidence gate అని కనపడగానే XOR gate అనేది ఆప్షన్స్లో పెట్టాలి. So now here also we will discuss about properties. Like similar way we will discuss about properties of that XOR gate. Properties of XNOR gate. Same like we will substitute A XOR 0 is dash. Option first. Second question, A XNOR 1 is equal to what happened? Third one, A XNOR A is equal to what happened? Fourth one, A XNOR A bar is equal to what happened? So here you can take that one function y is equal to A bar B bar plus AB. In place of A common it is, in place of B you can substitute that 0 or 1 or A bar. So first of all you have to take A XNOR 0 means B place we have to substitute 0. A bar dot 0 bar plus A dot 0. A bar dot 0 bar means 1. A dot 0 means total it is 0. A bar dot 1 means A bar. So your answer is here A bar. Here A, when inputs are same output is 1, when inputs are different output is 0. Last and final property, if A XNOR B is equal to C, then B XNOR C is equal to A, comma A XNOR C is equal to B, and A XNOR B XNOR C is equal to dash. Its answer is 1. Like these 5 plus 6 are total 11 questions are very very important for competitive exam point of view. And we will discuss universal gates. Universal gates are, we know, NAND gate as well as NOR gate. So why these two are called universal gates means using these gates we can implement any other Boolean expressions. By using NAND gate we can realize AND function, OR function, XOR function, XNOR function, everything. By using NOR function also we can realize any other gates. That's why these two are called universal gates. So first we will discuss competitive question. Logic gate. How many number of NAND gates required? Number of to designing this logic gate. How many number of NAND gates required? NAND gates required. Like similarly, how many number of NOR gates required? Number of NOR gates required. Already we have seen logic gate and its truth table, its expression, how it will be appeared. Now in this case only we will discuss how many number of NAND gates required for each question, each logic gate. This one very important for competitive exam. One question will be appeared. First of all, we will discuss about buffers. Buffer means y is equal to a only directly, so there is no gates, either NAND gates or NOR gates. 0 is required. Second one, not, or we will call inverter. For inverter case, number of NAND gates. One NAND gate is required to implementing NOR function. One NOR gate is required to implementing NOR function. Third gate, that is AND gate. 2 NAND gates are required to designing AND function. 3 NOR gates are required to designing AND function. Fourth one is OR gate. OR gate, here 3 NAND gates are required to implementing OR function. 2 NOR gates are required to implementing OR function. Like similarly, NAND gate. So already it is NAND only one. Here using NOR gates, here 4 are required. And another case, NOR logic. Here NOR logic case 4 gates are required, here 1. And seventh point, XOR gate. To designing XOR gate, this is the most important, XOR as well as XNOR. XOR and XNOR చాలా సార్లు రిపీట్ అయిన క్వశ్చన్ అంటే XRA XNOR. XOR ఈ రెండు చాలా సార్లు రిపీట్ అయిన క్వశ్చన్స్. To designing XOR gate, here 4 NAND gates are required, 5 NOR gates are required. To designing XNOR gate, here 5, it is 4. Like similarly, another one, half adder case. Half adder case, here number of NAND gates are 5, number of NOR gates is also 5. Next to half subtractor case, also 5 NAND gates, 5 NOR gates are required. Next to full adder. To designing full adder, 9 NAND gates are required. In terms of NOR, 9 NOR gates are required. Next final one, full subtractor case. Here number of NAND gates are 9, number of NOR gates are 9. Total here 12 functions are there. In these 12 functions, competitive manner, one question will be 100%, it will be appeared. So these are universal gates. Universal gates means we can realize any other boolean function either using NAND gate or NOR gate. So using this number of NAND gates, we can implement that corresponding function. For example, how the question will be appeared means how many number of NAND gates are required to implementing XOR gate అంటాడు. సో XOR gate ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయడానికి ఎన్ని కావాలి? 4 NAND gates are required. How many NOR gates are required to implementing XNOR gate? ఇలా క్వశ్చన్స్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ NAND gates required, నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ NOR gates required అని ప్రతి క్వశ్చన్ని అడిగే అవకాశం ఉంది. సో ఇఫ్ ద NOR gate is not there, suppose we want to implement NAND function, NAND gate తోటి NOR function ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయాలంటే 4 NAND gates అవసరమవుతాయి. 4 NAND gates తీసుకొని కనెక్షన్ చేస్తే మనకు NOR gate అవుట్పుట్ వస్తుంది. సో దట్స్ వై NAND and NOR gates are universal gates. Along NAND and NOR, one more universal gate is there, that is a multiplexer. That one we will discuss in our next video. Thank you all. Watch this video and subscribe, share it, and remember these points. It is useful for your competitive exam point of view. Thank you all.